Okay, so now we will learn some words related to disasters, such as a tornado, a hurricane, a flood, fire, the word dangerous. So let's try it out. The first word we have is un tornado, which means a tornado. Un tornado. So yes, a tornado. Un tornado. Tornado. And the second one is una tormenta de nieve. A snowstorm. Una tormenta de nieve. A snowstorm. Tormenta de nieve. The next one, un huracán. A hurricane. Un huracán. A hurricane. Huracán. Some people call them typhoons. So in Spanish, we would say tifón. Un tifón, a typhoon. But hurricane and typhoons are the same thing. One part of the world calls it different than the other side. Un huracán, un tifón. The next one, un terremoto. Un terremoto. Terremoto means earthquake. Un terremoto. So terre comes from like tierra. Moto is like a motorcycle or movement. So an earth movement. Un terremoto. An earthquake. And let's try one more time. Un tornado. A tornado. Una tormenta de nieve. Tormenta means snow. Una tormenta. Storm. Oh no, tormenta means storm. My mistake. Nieve means storm. Tormenta, a storm. Una tormenta de nieve, a snowstorm. And the next one, un huracán. So this one means a hurricane. Huracán, hurricane. Un huracán. And the next one, un terremoto. Un terremoto. An earthquake. Terremoto. And let's try the next ones. We also have un helicóptero. Helicóptero means a helicopter. Un helicóptero. Helicóptero. Helicopter. And then we have truenos. Truenos means thunders. Truenos. So yes, truenos. Thunders. Thunders, I think, is the sound. Thunders. Relámpagos is the lightning. The light it makes, it's a lightning, and then the sound is a thunder. I might be mistaken though. I was not so good at science class. Okay, relámpagos, the lightnings. Relámpagos. Truenos, thunders. Truenos. And destruir. Destruir means to destroy. Destruir. To destroy. Destruir. So let's try one more time. Un helicóptero. A helicopter. Truenos. Thunders. Truenos. Relámpagos. Lightnings. Destruir. To destroy. Destruir. Okay, and a few examples. The first one is: el tornado destruyó esta casa anoche. The tornado destroyed this house last night. So anoche would be last night. It means last night. Anoche, last night. El tornado destruyó esta casa anoche. The next example. Hoy no hay escuela porque hay una tormenta de nieve. Today there is no school because there is a snowstorm. Hoy no hay escuela porque hay una tormenta de nieve. So yeah, this one is simple. The next one. El terremoto destruyó gran parte de la ciudad. So this one actually has a mistake too. And let's see if you can figure out what the mistake is. So the mistake is that destruyó should have an accent in the letter O. And that is because a lot of the preterite forms, the past forms, they tend to have accents. So when you say yo destruí, él destruyó. So a lot of them are between the yo and él, ella, usted. They tend to have accents. There are some exceptions, but a lot of them have accents. So yeah, keep that in mind. El terremoto destruyó gran parte de la ciudad. Because if you say destruyó, it means he destroyed. Destruyo means I destroy. Destruyo, yo destruyo, él destruyó. So that's how it sounds. Destruyo, destruyó. So that's the accent difference. And the next example. Hay muchos truenos y relámpagos. No deberíamos tomar el helicóptero. Puede ser peligroso. So let's break it down. Hay muchos truenos y relámpagos. There's a lot of thunder and lightnings. There are lots of thunder and lightnings. No deberíamos tomar, we should not take, the helicopter, el helicóptero. Puede ser peligroso. It can be dangerous. So yeah, hay muchos truenos y relámpagos. No deberíamos tomar el helicóptero. Puede ser peligroso. There are lots of thunders and lightnings. We shouldn't take the helicopter. It can be dangerous. So if you happen to have a helicopter, this is a phrase for you. And if you happen to have a helicopter, you can, I don't know, send me a message, I don't know. It's okay. Let's try the next ones. Here we have un incendio. Un incendio means a fire. Un incendio. A fire. Incendio. And the next one. Un extintor. A fire extinguisher. Un extintor. So extintor is basically the thing on the picture. A fire extinguisher. El extintor. Un extintor. And the third one. Los bomberos. The firefighters. Los bomberos. The firefighters. Bomberos. And number 4. Una estación de bomberos. A fire station. Una estación de bomberos. A fire station. Estación de bomberos. Okay, and let's read the examples. The first one is, hay un incendio. Trae el extintor. There is a fire. Bring the extinguisher. Hay un incendio. Trae el extintor. Bring the extinguisher. Trae. You're telling somebody affirmative. Bring it. Trae el extintor. The next example. Los bomberos salen de la estación de bomberos para apagar un fuego. The firefighters leave the fire station to put out a fire. Los bomberos salen de la estación de bomberos para apagar un fuego. So yeah, it's an interesting phrase. And let's try the next ones. Here we have 2 more. Inundación. Inundación means a flood. So yeah, it's a flood. Una inundación. Inundación. Flood. And sequía. Sequía means a drought. La sequía, the drought. Una sequía. A drought. So yes, inundación, a flood with water. Sequía, a drought. So basically no water. Sequía. Okay. The next one's peligroso. Peligroso means dangerous. Dangerous. Peligroso. Dangerous. peligroso. And seguro. Seguro means safe. Es seguro. It's safe. Seguro. Safe. So yes, peligroso, dangerous. Seguro, safe. Okay, then we have a few more. We also have vida, 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 la vida. Vida means life, la vida, the life. Vida. And salvar vidas, to save lives. Salvar vidas. So yes, vida, the life, la vida. Salvar vidas, to save lives. Salvar vidas. Let's try the examples. El huracán causó una inundación en la ciudad. The hurricane caused a flood in the city. El huracán causó una inundación en la ciudad. The hurricane caused a flood in the city. The next one. Causó comes from causar. Causar means to cause, basically. Causar, to cause. Causar. And the next one. La granja no está produciendo muchas frutas por la sequía. The farm is not producing much fruit due to the drought. La granja no está produciendo muchas frutas por la sequía, due to the drought, por la sequía. And the next example. Es muy peligroso sentarse en esta piedra. It is very dangerous to sit on this stone. Es muy peligroso sentarse en esta piedra. It's very dangerous to sit on this rock. And the next example. Él salvó mi vida de ahogarme en el río. He saved my life from drowning in the river. Él salvó, he saved, mi vida, my life, de ahogarme, from drowning, en el río, in the river. He saved my life from drowning in the river. Él salvó mi vida de ahogarme en el río. Or you can say, Él me salvó, he saved me. Él me salvó de ahogarme en el río. He saved me from drowning in the river. Okay, so that's it for this one. And as always, thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.